Hello, this is Liz Winter. I am inviting you to join us for our workshop at the 2022 TBLC Conference, and that is Create and Curate for Success, Designing Learner-Centered Pre-Work. So if you consider adding multimedia materials to your preparation work or more multimedia materials to your preparation work and wonder how best to evaluate them and consider their alignment with your learning objectives, then you may want to join us and we would love to see you. So we are running this workshop from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on April the 13th, and that is Eastern Time. And then again on April the 19th from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So multimedia learning principles will help guide our work together, and we look forward to seeing you there. On behalf of my colleagues, Carolyn Wilson, Michelle Moscova, Beck McCarter, Annetta Dolowitz, and Marta Brooks, we invite you to join us. Thank you.